I've seen inside, but never actually been here.
Just watch the pit here.
Yeah.
We'll walk over to the tank and see if we can get a hold of him. So how you been? Haven't seen you for a while. After a year or so, year and a half.
I don't know if it was your friend, but there was somebody there. So.
Okay, yeah, they'll be able to get in touch with me. You want to take some photos in here? Go ahead. These are the smoke jacks. We start the locomotive in the morning, like 2023. This will be, we open the dampers, turn the fan on, takes all the smoke out. Pretty cool. All our lube and chemicals are all over there. Geez, that thing's wild, eh? Gotta go down there.
Yeah, you want your airport.
The locomotive. You'll hear a tick, 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 and when he opens the air, you'll hear it really start to tick as it starts to work the motor. Now you heard the two whistles, toot, toot. That means he's going to go ahead. Now kids and moms too, I'm going to show you a couple of signals. Okay, so all kids, you want to have a look at me? Great. We're going to help them get on the turntable. Okay, so this is the come ahead signal. And that's the stop signal. Moms are allowed to do this too. And we have a backup signal because sometimes you need to back up to get it right in the center. Okay, so are we ready, Ben? Okay, help Ben there. That's Ben Braun, Chief Engineer at Heritage Park. Here we go. Watch the turntable. You have to get her in the center. There we go. Stop. We're centered. Well done. Well done. Okay, one other thing. Can you ring the bell? Now you'll see that we're going to line the locomotive and the turntable up to this spot to my left. And keep an eye on watch Brian and Ben. So work as a team, which is essential. So that they can line things up. Notice the hand signals. Pull the key. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, could we please move away from the track because we have a job to do here. Just a second.
Very good. Everybody on that side, please. We got a really good here.
Okay, kids, now's our chance. Whenever Brian's ready, let's go. Ben, sorry. Apologize. Whenever Ben's ready, the go-ahead signal looks like this, right? Okay, so you're going to help him. Okay.
high-speed YCN. But I've never seen them in any.
Did you have me that tower hooked up?
Yeah.
Huh? Huh? Yeah, I can see the camera's light. Dad, it's really like the next one. It's like moving the trailer. It's open water!
It will be a little easier.
Where's he reading? Wait, right? Why did he come on me?
Amtrak C1. Amtrak C2. Amtrak C3.